The Menopause Managed Naturally Practitioner Diploma is a Gateway Workshop's online course designed to fit around your current lifestyle needs. This course was created to develop your knowledge of dealing with menopause naturally so you can understand it better and use this awareness to enhance and empower the well-being of yourself, a family member, your clients, or others who will suffer menopause symptoms. In this course, you will learn about the key female hormones involved in menopause and the impact that these changing hormones have on those going through the menopause transition. The course sets out to look at ways to offer solutions to the symptoms and explore natural and alternative approaches. We look at different ways of menopause management, drawing on scientific evidence and the latest research studies. By the end of this course, you will have a much fuller understanding of why menopause causes the symptoms that it does, and how you can implement a program of healing naturally. This course also takes you beyond the menopause journey. It provides a natural Meno wellness pack to help you navigate through this transition naturally, and also provides wellness practitioners information on integrating this knowledge into their wellness practices. Once you've completed the course, you'll receive a professionally accredited and approved certificate, allowing you to use this knowledge with the general public and charge. Join the thousands of students who have trained with our award-winning school, boasting a proven track record, extremely high standards, and expert tutors. We offer massage, beauty, and spiritual courses at our venues across London and the rest of the UK, including Scotland and Ireland. And we also offer many online courses too. Gateway Workshops, the gateway to your potential.